Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this edition of Carl's Bearded Banter. Woohoo! Today, we're going to be talking beard soaps. Now, they come in all different colours, shapes, and sizes. But do we really need them? Well, let's find out. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Yeah, we're talking soaps, beard soaps. Is there any difference between them and the normal kind of bar soap that you get from the supermarket? Well, the answer is yes, there is. Well, regular soaps, they're designed for really getting in there and giving a good clean to your body and hands. They're not too good for your face and for your hair, be it beard hair or head hair. That's because they can be very harsh in stripping the oils from your skin and from your beard. Now that's good in your hands because you want to make sure that you've got rid of all the grime and any germs or bacteria that you may have touched, and the soaps are really good for that on your hands and on your body. But on your face and hair, it's going to dry it too much. It can cause, shall we say, dry skin and itchiness, and obviously in the beard, a bit of the old beard rough, a bit of the flaky skin, and it dries the beard out, makes it look kind of brittle and all that. So it's not good at the end of the day. Why is beard soap different? Well, beard soap, as you may be able to tell by the name, is specifically designed for the hair of your beard. Now, I know it's looks a bit thicker than the hair on your head, but it has to be treated a lot more delicately. It's very easy to remove the oils from your beard hair, more so than it is from your head hair. So beard soap is specially designed to clean the beard, but also keep them oils there, keep your beard looking nice and hydrated and bouncy and full of life. Also, they add kind of nutrients and vitamins to the mix-up, which helps this along the way. Another point is they're also quite good not just in your beard hair but on the rest of your face. As I said, it's got a moisturising kind of property which is safe enough to use on your face without drying the skin out. So basically, a beard soap is not just really designed to use in your beard. It's basically in fact, you can use it all over really, but more so on your facial hair and on your skin, on your face. Another thing is, if you're out and about at work a lot and you're getting your beard quite dirty daily, beard soap's good for a daily wash in the morning, especially if you're going to use some oil to put in after you've had your wash and towel dry your beard. Use your beard wash, put some oil in, and you're good to go. And it's going to preserve your hair a lot better than put a shampoo or something like that, which will dry it out. So beard soap's also safe to use on a regular basis. So what about a beard soap and a shampoo, I hear you say? You've heard of beard shampoos. Is there any difference? Not really. I suppose one difference is obviously that a beard soap comes in a bar like this because it has either animal fats or vegetable fats to give it its solidity and its shape, whereas a shampoo is in liquid form and it will come in a bottle. So another bonus for the bar is that it's more environmentally friendly because you've not got the wasted plastics of the bottles and the little squirty caps or whatever. This, you just basically use it until it's gone. It may come in a cardboard box that's easily biodegradable. So that's another positive for the bar soap. Liquid soap though is a lot easier to use in the shower. You've got that bottle while you're in the shower. The shower's not continually washing away the bar of soap, which you would do in the bar. You can squirt a bit in your hand, you can get it right into, especially in a long beard, you can get it all in and spread it all about a lot easier than you can with a bar of soap. One thing about using a bar of soap I will say is don't be scrubbing it on your beard to get it done. Just either wet the bar of soap under the tap and then give it a good lather up in your hands and then apply that to it, or as I've heard some say, rub it a little bit on the cheeks just to get that lather going and then spread that through. Only takes a bit, you don't need a lot, it will bring up a good lather. A good bar of soap will anyway, a good bar of beard soap will do anyway, it'll bring up a good lather and be enough to wash wash your beard thoroughly, so they should last a long time. The convenience of a shampoo is it's in a bottle. You can take it with you easy to the gym. You know, you just throw it in your bag, done, no problem. Where as with the bar of soap, you may need it to kind of wrap it in some. This is some like wax paper. Wrap it in that and then keep it inside a soap dish with a lid and maybe elastic band on that, just to make sure it doesn't pop open and you get all the little soap all over your bag. So there are some benefits to a shampoo. They're both beard shampoo and soap are designed for use in your beard. So I'm not saying really any is better than the other in the sense of what to use. It's really just a matter of taste or preference. And that's it. That's a short and sweet one. Give beard soap a go is all I'm going to say. I do like a good bar of beard soap. Like I say, lots of different colours. There's like a kind of charcoal colour one, and there's more of a slate coloured one. And lots of different scents as well. They have lovely smells to them. And because you're using it directly on the beard, you're getting that scent into your beard. It's going to give you a nice, fresh, clean smell before you go with the beard oils. So do give them a try. Do let me know what you think. Do you prefer the bar soap, or do you prefer the liquid soap or shampoo? Let me know in the comments what you think, and that'll do for today. Toodles. Beard soap is especially made to be used on the beard.